we are going to make a pancit or noodles. As you can see, I'm heating this, and I'm going to put some water. Of course, I'm going to put some onion. This is going to be the last seafood that I have. I put all of this here. I put everything here. This is coming from the instant noodles that I didn't use. I'm also going to put some of these chicken cubes. Okay, so yeah, that is how easy it is to make a pancit. Yo, good morning guys. This is already my second or third day here in the house. Because I'm really not sure of what I'm going to do. Yesterday I checked the flight going to Hobart and it's really cheap, just $120. Yeah, around $300 going and coming back. Yeah, this time I am writing a blog, editing some videos, and also planning. It is raining outside. It's already 6:15 and this is going to be my third meal. Yeah, this is just I forgot the name. This usually they serve it in Easter. Cross bun? Yeah, cross bun. And I have this vitamin C. This one, vitamin C. Vitamin C. Yeah. Yo, good morning. Already? Yeah, already 11:37. I am preparing my lunch. I had my breakfast. It's just muffin and coffee. I don't know what is going to be the sauce of this, but I already put salt in here. So yeah, a pasta with just a salt is already tastes good for me. And do you know that last night was raining? Yeah, also this morning it was wet outside, but look at that, now it's beautiful. And today the price of the flights going to Hobart or in the other city or town here in Australia are now back to expensive. $200 one way. Yesterday was 100 plus something. So I have this frozen tomato paste. Put some water from the pasta. That's it. Oh, with sun-dried tomato and onion. Good. Yeah, I use this. Sour. I don't use all the sauce. I put some here and I will use that next time. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I am now hopeless of doing the bike travel in Tasmania. I still have the mess here because I'm still figuring out if I'm going to travel, but I don't think I will be able to travel. Yeah, because there is a travel ban. No, not travel ban, but yeah, the people are encouraged to stay in the house to avoid the spread of corona. Yeah, so I'm going to fix that, clean that, and organize, and no more chance of traveling. Yo, good morning guys. Midday. Already 5 minutes to 12. This is my second coffee. This morning I wake up at around 6 o'clock and it was still dark when I wake up. Yeah, dark still. Then I just realized that it's already bright like this at around 9 o'clock. Yeah, the time is running really quick. I don't know, maybe because I was busy in the computer.
Too intense yet. Just getting the head, neck, nice and relaxed. Nice. Last time. And back. Really feel the stretch in your legs.
Yo, good afternoon guys. It is now 4 o'clock. This is my third meal. This morning I had coffee, and for the lunch I had egg and rice, and now I have this. This is actually the last food I think I have, because look at this in here. I don't have any more. And in the freezer, yeah, I still have chicken somehow. This chicken, you know, this is milk I put in the freezer. I don't know if I can still use this. I don't know. I still also have this one. This chicken frozen. And oh look, I have some grapes here, have eggplant, oh pasta. I throw this. Yeah, only those, not too much. And you know, I am on this is my 11th day since I arrived in coming from Dubai. I am doing self-isolation because that is the rules. The government said that you need to go for isolation at least 14 days. Yeah, and that's what I am doing. Yeah, actually I arrived in Sydney, and then right after I arrived, no, not right after, but after 3 days, they announced that all the passengers starting that day should take the 14 days self-isolation. So even if I'm not covered with the 14 days announcement, I'm still doing the self-isolation, just to be sure, because I traveled during the coronavirus outbreak, so it is better to be safe, you know. Yeah, I don't want to be a carrier of disease or something like that. I don't want somebody to die because of me. Yeah. And when my landlord is coming here, I move a little bit backwards so not to be close, you know. Yeah, because sometimes they are checking me, how are you, I'm just checking if you're still alive. Yeah, they said like that. And yeah, and because of that, like what I said, I don't have much food here. 2 nights ago I tried to do the online delivery, but it is not available. It is available only if you registered to the website of Walmart or Coles, because the priority for delivery are the, you know, those old people and those on the self-isolation, but you need to register. And yeah, I have just 3 days left for my self-isolation, so yeah, that food I think will be enough until tomorrow, until the 3 days. And I am shy to ask Inigo to buy things for me, but yeah, I think I can handle this food until the next 3 days. and I am good.